Hey, how's it going, you guys? I got my Marlin 925 R right here. It's unloaded. Checked it before doing this video. It's been in my gun safe for a good while now. Haven't shot it in a couple. Well, I haven't shot in anything in a couple weeks. Probably about 6 weeks, month and a half. Um, here's the clip I bought for it. Since I am in California, I only can have maximum of 10 round magazine. Then here's the one it came with, 7 round magazine. If you notice, this is the same kind of scope, same rimfire scope, Tasco rimfire scope I had on my uh, beam and pellet gun. Uh, I also have camo tape on this one, not as good. It's the plasticky kind of tape, not the uh, fiber one, whatever, cotton or what I have on my 30-06, which hugs the gun a lot better. Goes around the curves better than this does. Doesn't wrinkle as easily. I have this sighted in for 50 yards. Uh, Great, I can shoot those little earmuffs or the earplugs you put in pretty easily. Uh, it's a synthetic stock. You can see right there. Well, it's synthetic, but that's also why I put the camo, because I just don't like it. I wish I could have got wood, but it was $6 to make it look like this instead of having to go spend like 25 or 30 bucks to go buy a new stock, or maybe more. I think I actually know it was like 70 something bucks to get it. I haven't had any problems with this gun. No jamming problems. No nothing. It's accurate. Uh, Easy to shoot. Perfect for someone that's first learning how to shoot, or even for experienced people that want just a good quality 22 to go shoot small game. It's the Marlin 925M. No, 925R. Sorry about that. That's the Magnum load. But it's a great, great little firearm. Um, the farthest I've ever shot a target with this was at 200 yards. Yeah, 200 yards. And I'm really, really pleased with this gun. It came with iron sights. Uh, but I put the scope on because the iron sights were getting worn. Uh, and they did start to slowly shift to the left, so I was hitting like an inch or two right at 50 yards. So it kind of pissed me off, and I just got this scope, which can zoom in, which I really like. Forgot to mention that about my beam and scope, but here it is, Marlin 925R 22 rimfire bolt action. All right, thanks. Bye.